Alright, so what we have here is a Rubicon bumper. And then we have the regular sport bumper. So this one's plastic, this one's metal, in case you guys don't know what the difference is. But we're gonna be grafting these Hemi tips into the Rubicon bumper. Make it all nice in one. And then from there it'll be all nicely color matched. It's gonna look like a factory option.
So we're gonna cut the bumper in half, section it out so the width matches. End up probably cutting off the top part here to start with. And then we'll custom fit it to the bottom half as needed, and then build the center part to match the two back in. Probably the center section will hand form out of new steel. And then once it's all blended in, I will quote Jag and say an OEM feature looking. And then we'll be just like the regular Jeep would come.
Oh my God, that music.
We made a template of the OEM Rubicon bumper, which is the cardboard. We're just going to fit where we can cut this ram bumper off, and then cut off the end, make this piece fit to the Rubicon bumper, and then we'll eventually make this end cap fit the Rubicon bumper once we're done. More than likely it'll be cut out somewhere in along here, and then it'll be attached to the Rubicon bumper, blend bodywork.
So that opening is this part right here. So right now what we got going on is we got this piece roughed in, and we're just working on a little corner end cap, where you kind of get the idea of how we want it gradually sloping in. So right now what we did is we have all the pieces joined. They're all welded in. So James is just shaping them up, making it look like one piece. It's gonna look really nice. We're gonna start making the left side soon, but first thing we just want to have our right side finished up so we know what to do. So right now, for an example, this is the left side. Let me just flip this around, and we're gonna make the end cap, which is the more tedious part, but we're gonna start with this and then just make the end cap once it's on the Jeep. Guys, so one side is ready to be tacked in. James, show them that finished piece. Yeah. Yes, that's all one piece, guys. You want to see like the surgery on the inside? But yeah, it's gonna look really, really nice. Tits, bro. Tits.
Oh my god, that milk. Oh my god, that milk.
So here you go, guys. One is tacked in place. Not tacked, I guess you could say welded in. And that's how it looked before. And that's how it's coming along. So this is the right side. All tacked up, smoothened, ready for some body work. And today we're going to be working on the left side. So right now what we did is we're mimicking the other side, so we got to cut on our angle again just to get that nice swoosh that we have on this side. And good thing James had his dinner, I got his strength. Yeah, that's looking more like it. Alright guys, so right now what we're doing is that we're just making these little pieces. So 1, 2, 3, they're all different angles. So right now we got the one angle that's the same angle as the actual bumper. Now we're just mimicking this center one down, and then we're going to be putting the finishing one over here. So it's very tedious, but this is how it's going to look. So as you can see, same angle. This is another angle, and then we got our third angle, which is like the final finisher. And then we also got to have that little slope down. Alright guys, so right now we just took it all back off and we're going to be fully welding it. But we did put our guideline back in. So when we fully weld it, we're going to put it back here exactly. We know where to put it. And that's going to give our whole setting and everything. But once again, if you want to see, this is the before. And this is what we're going for.
Milk on the beat, so you know it's gonna be heat.
Alright, so right now what James is making right now is the trailer hitch is going to have a nice finished piece that's going to go around. James actually came up with this idea, so big props to him. So what we did, we took parts of the bumper that we have left over and pretty much put them all together and joined them into a really nice shape. So as you can see here, they're going to look something like this. We're just going to cut the middle wherever it lands because it's like a 2-inch receiver. And it's going to look really nice once it's all welded and blended in. So right now we're just going to go ahead and weld these up and then grind them to make them one piece. So right now we're just making up a little finishing piece for the trailer hitch. As you can see, this is going to look nice and finished. Nice round edges. Complement the whole bumper now. Alright guys, so here's a finished product of the rear bumper. So this is the before. Here's the after. So we got a Hemi Ram bumper converted on the bottom. It's merged in. It's all welded. We got the nice tips. Got the nice counters. And even we went ahead and did all that. Thanks to James and his great vision. But as you can see how it comes in really nice. So you can't even tell really it's been modified. But as you can see, this is the before. It's a little dinky old bumper. And this is the after. Nice aggressive style with the dual tips. The trailer hitch all nicely modified. But yeah, man, really nice, sick bumper. Even the ends are all custom modified. From the back, they all have a nice edge on them.